educational programs offered by the local Confucius Institute on the Chinese language and more are gaining popularity among Ghanaian students in different educational stages. In the classroom at the University of Cape Coast Primary School, the pupils are learning the Chinese language with great enthusiasm. The school introduced Chinese language learning in 2018. All of the 1,460 students from different grades are now taking Chinese lessons as part of their academic work.
Right from the start, the Confucius Institute, UCC, has supported us with staff. Once you are in the university primary school, you take part in the Chinese lessons. It's fixed on the timetable. We test them and we encourage some of the children to do the external exams. There is an award from the Chinese ambassador in Ghana. Every year we have it's very challenging. So to me, our children are doing very well in the Chinese language. I think it's a very good idea that Confucius Institute is introducing the little ones here to Chinese. Knowing another language, you are well equipped. It means that wherever you find yourself, you can communicate and you can function better wherever you find yourself.
Roseman Bilhaney, Pro-Vice Chancellor of the UCC, said that the Confucius Institute at the UCC have brought many benefits to students and educational institutions in the country, offering educational opportunities and exchange programs.
They've been able to train quite a number of not only University of Cape Coast students, but they are also looking at the senior high school. Not only that, they also provide a scholarship to students to go and do their masters and PhD in other areas apart from Chinese. We've learned a lot of things, and I believe they've also learned a lot from us, and that is what collaborations and partnerships are all about, creating win-win situation for both parties.